Okay, let's just talk about it. That feeling when tax season rolls around, you're buried in papers, the numbers all start to look the same, and that little knot of stress just tightens up in your stomach. We've all been there. It's a completely normal feeling. Seriously, it's like trying to navigate a deep, tangled forest in the dark, right? Every single form is like a thorny branch you have to push past, and every rule is a path that just seems to twist and turn. You're just hoping you make it out the other side. But Ren, what if I told you that for millions of us, someone just turned the lights on? A bright, clear, sunlit path has literally just appeared in that forest. There's a new law that's making things so much simpler, and honestly, so much better for building our financial futures. This whole new path was cleared by a major tax law change for 2025, and it was designed from the ground up to help all of us handle our finances with way more confidence and a whole lot less stress. Ooh, okay. Yuki, I am so here for this. A bento box, I love it. So break it down for us. What's the real difference between this old, complicated way of itemizing and this new, simple path? Exactly. So think of the standard deduction as this wonderfully simple, cozy shield for your income. Instead of digging for every single receipt and doing all that complicated math, it's just one single, powerful number. It protects a huge chunk of your earnings from taxes right off the bat. It's just straightforward savings for everyone. And this is where it gets really exciting. For the 2025 tax year, and remember, that's the one we're all going to be filing in early 2026, that cozy shield just got a major glow up. I mean, it got much bigger. Get ready for this. For married couples who file their taxes together, the new standard deduction is now a whopping $31,500. This number creates this massive tax-free floor for so many families. It means the first $31,500 you earn as a couple is completely shielded from taxes. It's an incredible foundation for saving and investing. Wow, and look, it is not just for married couples. If you're head of household, your tax-free floor is now over $23,000. And for all my single filers out there, it's $15,750. This is just a huge boost for literally everyone. It makes tax time simpler, and it lets you keep more of your money. That's right, and as we're walking down our new sunlit path, we find out the new law didn't just make the main trail wider, it also sprinkled some amazing little treasure chests along the way, special new deductions that can save you even more money. Okay, this first treasure chest is just fantastic. It's called No Tax on Tips. This means our heroes in the service industry can now deduct up to $25,000 of their tips from their taxable income. That is such a huge, well-deserved break for so many people. And the next treasure is for our hourly workers. It's no tax on overtime. So, you know when you get time and a half? Well, now you can deduct that half part of your pay. The cap here is really generous too, $12,500 for individuals, and that doubles to $25,000 for joint filers. And there's an incredible boost for our seniors. This is on top of all the existing benefits. If you're 65 or older, you get an additional $6,000 deduction. And if you're a couple and both of you qualify, that's an extra $12,000 of financial comfort. Just amazing. Okay, and the last treasure chest we'll open today is a car loan interest break. Here's how it works. If you take out a loan in 2025 for a brand new vehicle for personal use, and that car's final assembly is in the United States, you can deduct up to $10,000 in interest. So let's put it all together. You've got this giant new standard deduction. You've got all these sparkly new treasure deductions. What does this all actually mean for your wallet and for your financial freedom when we all go to file in 2026? Well, it means something pretty amazing. Listen to this. According to Heather Berger, an economist at Morgan Stanley, all of these changes are expected to increase average tax refunds by 15 to 20%. Let that sink in. That is a massive boost for family budgets all across the country. So your path forward is just beautifully clear. As you start thinking about your 2025 taxes, just remember to embrace that simple, powerful standard deduction. Then check to see which of those wonderful treasure deductions you can claim. You can head into the 2026 filing season with so much more confidence and a whole lot less stress. Which really just leaves us with one final happy question for you to think about. With a way simpler tax process and potentially more money coming back your way, How are you going to use this newfound financial peace of mind? The possibilities are so bright and beautiful. Thanks so much for joining us.